Python 3.9 is still in development. Today, we will talk about Python 3.9.0 A6, which was released on 28th April 2020 and is an early developer preview of 3.9. This release 3.9.0 A6 is the last out of 6 planned alpha releases by Python developers. Alpha releases are intended to make it easier to test the current state of new features and bug fixes and to test the release process. During the alpha phase, features may be added up until the start of the beta phase and if necessary, may be modified or deleted up until the release candidate phase. Please keep in mind that this 3.9.0 A6 is a preview release and its use is not recommended for production environments. Now let us see what are the major new features of the 3.9 series as compared to 3.8. Many new features for Python 3.9 are still being planned and written. So some of them are adding the merge operator, the pipe operator, and update pipe equal to this pipe operator and update pipe equal to a operator to the built-in dict class. So dictionary union, merge and update operators have been added in dict as per PEP 584. What it means is that a dictionary union will return a new dictionary where the left operand is merged with the right operand. Both operands must be a dictionary. So if a key appears in both the dictionaries, then the last value from the dictionary on the right hand side will be used. For example, we have a dictionary, let's say x is equal to, and another y is equal to, then if we do print on running, we'll get a new dictionary with the second dictionary y's key value pairs merged with the first dictionary x like this. Now let's try print and on running this we see a new dictionary with the second dictionary x key value pairs merged with the first dictionary y here. Also, the augmented assignment version operate in place now. So if we do x y and then we do print x, then we see that the dictionary x merged with the key value pairs of dictionary y. Another feature added to Python 3.9.0 A6 is the addition of two string methods, remove prefix and remove suffix as per PAP 616. Now these string methods have been added to easily remove an unneeded prefix or a suffix from a string respectively if present. The remove prefix method removes the desired prefix from a string and returns a new string. Say we have a string and we run this. So we see that the prefix un has been removed and returned as a new string, whereas the original string remains as it is. So happy is the new string being returned, whereas original string unhappy remains as it is in the variable p. Similarly, the remove suffix method removes the desired suffix from a string and returns a new string. So, for example, if we have a string p is equal to Python 3.9.0 p is equal to p dot we want to remove 0.086 and then 20 p. Now if we run this, the output shows us the new string Python 3.9 with the removed suffix and the original string remains the same. Among other new features and changes implemented till Python 3.9.0.A6 are type hinting, generics in standard collections as per PEP 585. There's flexible function as per PEP 593. Then Python adopts stable annual release frequency as per PEP 60. Then new back parser as per PEP 617. Then as per web as per web 384. So those are all further changes being added. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If something is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your questions. If you like this video, please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.